That's what I asked.
No, but they look like it.
I've been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember.
What was the point?
Never really knowing
Was it me?
why.
Was it you?
I wish I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water.
That was a better
No matter
birth than
how
mine.
hard
I'm
I
kinda mad about it.
try.
Someone said I was aggressively chewing my gum. I'm sorry.
Every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the sky meets the sea, it calls me. No one knows where it goes.
Imagine that huge on Charlie in their lives.
One day I'll go.
Charlie, what would you do if I was you?
There's just no telling how far I'll go. I know
Did you just burp?
everybody on this island seems so happy on this island.
Can y'all
Everything's
stop?
How did you do that? Teach me.
I know everybody on this island has a role on this island, so maybe I can roll with mine.
How did you
Make us strong, I'll be satisfied. I played along with the voice inside, sings a different song. What's wrong with me? See the light shines on the sea, it's lightning. No one knows how deep it goes. And it feels like it's calling out to me, so come find me. Let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? And I at the sea, it calls me. And no one knows where it goes.
That was a
I sail on the sea, seas behind me. One day I'll know how far I'll go.
Wait,
If I do that too many times, I would boof.
wait.
I did chills.
That was a little aggressive.
I've learned to
Scared
slam
me.
on the
You
brake
scared me.
before I
thought you were
even
about to pull my
turn the
hair.
key. Before
Ariel, listen to
I'm sorry, Charlie, but me and Dixie are kind of carrying this live.
Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there.
The seed is always greener in somebody else's.
Can you do karaoke so I can know the words?
Growing up, yeah, but that is a big mistake.
Just for you, Gruff Gruff.
The world around
Thank you.